Come test drive the 2019 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, daytime running lights, fog lamps, rear-wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.